$15 for a tiny bottle that promises to do exactly what a $300 professional ceramic coating does. That is the pitch being blasted across every social media feed right now. They promise a mirror deep gloss, water that rolls off like magic, and a hardness that lasts for an entire decade, all from one simple wipe. I spent days digging into this because something about it felt completely off. The first red flag appeared before I even looked at what was inside the bottle. It was the brand itself. If you search for this crystal serum, you do not find one single company. You find a dozen. There are names like Anokia, Uvius, and Otoy. They sound more like security tests than actual businesses. It is the same bottle, the same photos, and the same marketing copy every single time. They just slap whatever label is available that week on the plastic and ship it out. That is not a brand. That is just a temporary listing. Then the details started fighting each other. One page swears the bottle is 100 milliliters. Another says it is 50. One listing even claimed the bottle weighed less than 2 ounces but held 12 fluid ounces of liquid. That is physically impossible. My favorite part was the legal disclaimer buried at the bottom of one page. It said the Food and Drug Administration had not evaluated these statements for a car coating. Someone literally copy and pasted a template for a dietary supplement and never bothered to read it. Even the reviews do not help. The glowing ones all say the exact same thing. They say it looks great and beads water, but they have no idea how long it lasts. Even the fans cannot vouch for the one promise that actually matters. The claim everyone repeats is the 9H hardness rating. This is the big magic trick. That number does not come from the mineral scale you are probably thinking of. It is actually a pencil test. It just measures whether a specific drawing pencil can scratch the surface. On the scale used for real materials, that rating lands at a 2. That is softer than your own fingernail. It is not a diamond shield. It is not even close to glass. They also mention graphene, but it is usually less than 0.1% of the formula. That is too little to do anything but sell the word on the label. So, what is the verdict here? It is not exactly a total scam, but it is a performance. It is a basic spray sealant that adds some gloss and makes water bead for a few weeks. It is a $10 product wearing a very expensive costume. The shine is real, but the science is just theater. If this saved you from paying for marketing instead of protection, then I've done my job. I love investigating what actually works versus what is just noise. I would rather not fill this space with sponsored content from companies whose products I might have to roast next week. That'll be pretty awkward for everyone. If this helped you out, you can support what I do by using the links I've provided. It helps fund these deep dives without costing you anything extra. It is the easiest way to help out while you do your normal shopping. Keep questioning everything you see and stay skeptical of those too good to be true claims. I will see you in the next investigation.